This is Boots. Boots is a 3-year-old neutered gray and white tabby. Boots was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could no longer care for him. He is litter box trained, good with cats, dogs, and kids, and he loves to snuggle. If you want to meet Boots, come down to Kitty City. This is Zolo. Zolo is a 2-year-old neutered domestic longhair. Zolo was brought to the Humane Society because he and the other pet in the home were not getting along. He is litter box trained and good with cats, and he enjoys sunbathing. If you want to meet Zolo, come down to Kitty City. This is Carbon. Carbon is a 3-and-a-half-year-old neutered brown tabby. Carbon was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family could no longer keep her where they were living. She is litter box trained, good with dogs, and good with kids, and she's also declawed. If you want to meet Carbon, come down to Kitty City. This is Toothless. Toothless is a 2-year-old neutered domestic shorthair. He was brought to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about his history. He is litter box trained and good with cats. If you want to meet Toothless, come down to Kitty City. This is Ollie. Ollie is a 10-year-old spayed gray and white tabby. She was a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about her history. She is a staff favorite here at the shelter. She is litter box trained and would do best as an only pet. If you want to meet Ollie, come down to Kitty City.